everyone, welcome to With Speed Cooking Style เด็กหอ Okay, what is mid speed? Mid is mathematics interesting dairy. So I'm interested in cooking. Today I will cook pancakes. Okay, first, no, this is my ingredient. First is a buttermilk pancake mix, 400 gram, and this is a milk, cocoa, egg, food for decorate, oil, and sweetened chocolate milk product with chocolate. Okay, first I will add egg on the bowl.
I will mix the egg. Okay, yeah, it's mixed together. And the second, I will add flour. This is the flour. Then I will add the milk. This is the chocolate milk because today I will make chocolate pancakes. And I will add the flour, all of this. Right. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, no. This is my first time with pancake. Yeah. And then I will add the cocoa.
And I leave it for 15 minutes for it set, and it will be okay. So I will get it into the pan. I will add the oil on the pan. Coat it on the pan. It's okay. Next, I will decorate it with chocolate sauce, and cocoa, and I will add the fruit. Peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana, shake banana, shake banana, go banana, go banana. But I don't have banana. I only have strawberry. Yeah, because strawberry is very delicious for me. Yeah, it's finished. Before the end of this clip, I will tell you that from this clip you can see measurement that make the dessert. You can use in many units. For example, tablespoon, teaspoon, on milliliter or gram. And you can use math to change it into other unit. Yeah, you can see that mathematics is all around us. Just everyone see it a little bit. Mathematics is difficult than you think. So today, bye bye. Oh, before Okay, I will try. Very delicious. Oh, yeah, it's very delicious. You can try it in the room or the kitchen. And for today, cooking style เด็กหอ ก็ขอลาไปก่อน บ๊ายบาย